Riley, go. Yeah, they're using the feeder.
Cause see,
If you can get an
there's.
angle, if you can get an angle where I can see it, I can tape it. If you want to get her on you.
I don't think she'll get on me again. But the girls have it too, Henrietta and.
But yeah, they all have it. But I just thought for her being a baby, it looked like it was a little bit bigger than.
Yeah, it is. It's thicker.
But it could be the breed too.
Hey.
Jaquanda's using her perch. God, I need to screw that down. Those staples are just popping out of it, aren't they?
Yeah.
Can you slowly stand up? The crazy chicken lady. Watch your eyes. Yeah, you guys definitely want to. If you put a chicken on your shoulder, yeah, they will go for your eyeballs. That's their line of defense. They literally, she got lucky. They went up twice. Yeah, but one actually took her contact out.
Yeah, Henrietta took my contact out, and Lynx just poked my eyeball.
Yeah.